So namaste, good evening. So we have gone with the routine morning routine 4:50 to 5 a.m. mirror exercise. Already you know that, and 5 a.m. to 5:10 exercise, doing some physical exercise because whole night when you are sleeping, it's all your energy, your blood, your body, everything is calm. You need to make it wake up and your energy, you should gain the energy when you do exercise. Basically not you're spending calorie but getting energy, right? You are becoming active and you make yourself more vibrative. So basically this is morning, we are preparing self with energy, with mirror exercise, commanding to the universe what you want. In the mirror exercise you are commanding to the universe what you want from the universe, right? When you do exercise you are raising your own vibration to meet that frequency to get the manifestation you are looking for the manifest, right? So exercise is must and it should be routine. The most difficult part in the universe is not that what others do and how you are earning. The most difficult part is in the universe to control self and to be disciplined self. When we are self-disciplined, then nothing is impossible at outside the world. When you are self-disciplined and started commanding to the universe, nothing is stopping you to achieve. You are achieving everything. Now when we have completed the exercise part, now 5:10 to 5:20, so I have just given 10 minutes. When you start doing this 10 minutes is enough for creating whole day a beauty day. As a whole day is a great day, whole day is the powerful day, and whole time is the manifestation time. So what we are doing 5:10 to 5:20 today is the read good books. Now when you do exercise and you eat good foods, you are doing exercise, you are making yourself vibrative, raising, upgrading your vibration. Reading good books, when you go out of morning, when you go out of your home, you encounter with the universe people, the surrounding. You won't be finding the way you are thinking. So whole the universe is different and you are the different. So what you are doing when you are reading good books, any good book you choose, you are feeding mind the positive thought, you are feeding to your mind, so that rest of the day you are able to handle all the situation. Nobody is able to put you down, nobody is able to pull you down. You yourself become mentally strong because you already have prepared food to your mind. So reading good books morning itself, maybe 10 minutes, maybe one page is enough for the day. When you continue this, and I told you the every result you will be getting 21 days to 20, you need to be disciplined for 21 days to 28 days to get the result. To It's not that today you are doing and you are saying that is a warning. No, no, not in that way. You will have to continue with discipline for 21 days to 28 days to get your subconscious mind organized for what you want. Get your subconscious mind restructure, rewriting your own story. You write your own story. When I told you, you are writing your own story, what you want to get and what you don't want to get. When you are writing your story, what you want to get, you are creating your own subconscious mind. You are writing your own history in the subconscious mind. But for that, you need to work for this 21 days to 28 days. That is the first step of yourself. You need to self love, you need to self work, you need to self discipline, you need to be self reliable, you need to be self confident, and everything. This short way, everything you can be getting from the mirror exercise. That is what is best. You reconditioning your mind, subconscious mind. But rest all things when you do discipline, anything you are doing, anything you are doing, and today your bad habit also because of this. So if remember, people they say, "Sir, I have this bad habit. I am unable to remove, or I am unable to change, or मैं पढ़ाई नहीं कर पाता हूँ." That is also all the habit you have created yourself once unconsciously. Now, suppose some habits, because of that joyness, because of that feeling good, we are creating. But that is not, if that is not helping you, that means that habit also been made by you by unconsciously. Now, what I'm saying, this for achievement, anything you want to get achieve anything consciously, you need to do. So consciously, you need to work on this and discipline. There is nothing change. You are the person who is changing everything. Whether you are becoming bad or you are becoming good, you have created that habit. You have created that indiscipline. You have created everything, whatever happening in your life. Now, that has happened unconsciously, or because of the childhood surrounding you got, or because of the surrounding you are surrounded with this. That is unconsciously what was in store in your mind, subconscious mind. Now, when you know this, what you are making, consciously you are creating your own subconscious mind, and consciously you are creating your own history. You want to make your history? Yes, you can make your history, but the first step is this: 21 days to 28 days. You need to be disciplined, whatever you are planning, whatever you are doing, whatever your conscience is saying, what is making you comfortable, what is you want to achieve, everything you need to plan, and consciously you need to go for very disciplined way. You need to work out. That is only the method, and there is no shortcut. Remember, there is no shortcut to the success. There is no shortcut to achievement. You will have to work. You will have to work. You will have to work. That means you are the only person who can change yourself, and you are the only person who can change whole world. Now you need to find the time, how you are spending your time for self the analysis. You need to see how you are spending time your 24 hours. If you want to write, you can write that also, and strike it out which is not productable, which is not producing, which is not giving value to your life. Strike it out. Even if you are looking at phone, if that is not required, it is not adding value, stop that. Even you are playing somewhere, you know that it is not adding value to your life, stop it and use that time for something you want to achieve. Thank you.